Okay, these are the lifts. What's this building called?
It's 10 South Colonnade. There you go, coming this way.
Hold it. You got it. Right. Now we're going to go to...
10.
These are quick.
Oh, you're filming your own jumper. It's reflected in the mirror. So if you go up a bit, you've got there's the switch panel.
The buttons.
Yep.
And
then up here is the annunciator.
Indicator.
Yep.
Here we are. Is this it?
And should we get out and get another lift back?
Yeah. Send this one down.
Okay. Let that one go, and then we'll press the call button.
Did you send that one down?
It'll go. It'll go.
Look at the pictures on their doors.
Yeah, fantastic.
Let's see if
that button didn't work, did it?
Oh, it might have been the one on that side.
Oh, this one going down. This one here.
This one right down here.
This one. Yep.
Okay.
Right. Ground floor?
Yeah.
Okay. Ground floor it is.
And look, there's no pictures on the doors.
Not on the inside, no.
Doors open.
Getting off one floor down.
Doors closing.
Yep.
You don't actually get very long to come out. Which is a bit...
No, but it won't close on you.
Hey, this is good.
Ground floor. Going up. Doors open.
Nice voice.
Okay, how'd you go then?
And that's it.
Hey,